Hello everyone, my name is Hồng Anh. I am Vietnamese. I'm here to make Vietnam stronger. I'm a global citizen. I communicate with the whole world. I'm passionate about learning English. I know I will speak perfect English. I will devote all my time and efforts. I enjoy listening to English every day. I enjoy speaking English everywhere. I feel to express myself. I feel to talk to foreigners. No matter how hard it is, no matter how long it takes, no matter what they say, I still believe in myself. I am gonna make it. Just do it, do it, do it, right here, right now. It's very nice to meet you all.